Father, quiet the noise around me. Quiet the noise within me. I don't want to miss your voice, because I'm too busy listening to everything else. Speak, Lord. I'm here. I've been moving too fast, trying to hear you through the sound. Every worry speaking loudly, every fear trying to drown. But somewhere in the silence, past the weight I tried to hide, I felt your presence gently calling me inside. Not in the thunder, not in the flame, but in the quiet, you called my name. Whisper in the stillness, speak into my soul. When the world gets heavy, you make my spirit whole. Whisper in the stillness, draw my heart to you. Lord, I'm listening now. Do what only you can do. I don't need 1,000 answers. I don't need to see the way. If your voice is leading softly, I can follow you by faith. Every tear I held in secret, every prayer I couldn't say, you received it in your mercy and covered me with grace. Not in the thunder, not in the flame, but in the quiet, you called my name. Whisper in the stillness, speak into my soul. When the world gets heavy, you make my spirit whole. In the stillness, draw my heart to you. Lord, I'm listening now. Do what only you can do. Now I'm learning how to linger in the peace I used to rush. How to trust you in the quiet. How to rest inside your love. There is healing in your presence. There is safety near your heart. And when you speak into the silence, every shadow has to part. Speak, Lord, I am listening. Speak, Lord, I am still. Speak, Lord, I surrender. Not my way, but your